clouds are hanging low today. The rain won't seem to go away. I've walked so long through darkened skies, with trembling hands and weary eyes. But somewhere deep inside I know that even storms must end and go, and every seed needs rain to grow into the light we cannot see. Hold on, just a little while more. The sky is breaking open, behind the cloud there's gold. After the rain, the sun will shine. Through every pain, we'll be just fine. At the end of the longest night, there is always light. After the rain, the world looks new, and every tear just let you through to the place where hope is born. After the rain, after the storm. I've heard them say the night is long, but in the dark I found my song. Each heavy step I had to take was building strength I couldn't fake. Don't give up, not yet, not now. You've come this far, remember how. Every mountain that you've climbed was never wasted, never blind. The tunnel ends, I promise you. The sky ahead is breaking through. Just breathe, just breathe. Your light is coming soon. After the rain, the sun will shine. Through every pain, we'll be just fine. At the end of the longest night, there is always light. After the rain, the world looks new, and every tear just let you through to the place where hope is born. After the rain, after the storm. The rain is over now. Look up and see. The light was always there.